Hello, today I like to cook salt and pepper sardine. This it's very simple to make. The ingredients are we need plant flour or all-purpose flour, corn flour or maizena, rice flour, salt, black pepper, lemon to garnish, cooking oil or vegetable oil, and you can use a frozen sardines or fresh sardines. Today I use frozen sardines. We put in the cold water for a few minutes to defrost. After we finish cleaned and filleted, I will show you the next step. We combine all the ingredients, the flour, corn flour, rice flour, black pepper, and salt. Mix. Make sure combine together. We put the sardine in the mixed seasoning flour. We're doing this until finish. Yeah, it's finished, ready to fry. Put the oil in the frying pan on the medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot, and we put in a medium heat. Start frying. Fry until ready. Have to turn over. Make sure it's cooked evenly. The salt pepper sardine is ready. We can garnish with more black pepper and sea salt. Let me try. Nice and crispy. I like it. Salt pepper sardine ready to serve.